So, as a college student, I know that when we get into a college, the first thing which comes to our mind is money. I mean, how to earn money. Because then we start to think that we can't rely on our parents for money, for fees, or some other stuffs which we can't talk about. But as a college student, you already got so many things to do. You need to improve your connections, your communication skills, your personality, and obviously, you need to study. Yeah, this is obvious. So, because of that reasons, it is really hard for some people to do offline jobs. So the only option remains is online jobs. But what you can do online to earn money as a college student? So this is Rohan Verma. Welcome back to our channel Rohans Verse. So in this video we are going to talk about 5 ways to earn money as a college student online. So the ways I am going to discuss in this video, for that you really need to do some effort, you need some time, and you need to be eligible for that. Obviously there's nothing free, so you need to put some effort on this. So without any delay, let's start the video. So the first way to earn money is by selling your notes. You are a college student, so if you have a proper notes of any subject, any class, so you can upload it on studypool.com. This is a website where you can upload your notes and earn money. So this is studypool.com, and here you can see that there are subjects like business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing. Almost every subject is here, and if you have any documents, I mean any notes, then you can upload it here. Here's the option sell docs, and if I click on it, then you can see like earn up to 5,000 US dollars, 5,000 US dollars a month. And we share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to, you can see here, up to $10 every minute. I mean they are paying up to $10 for every minute. And here's written how it works. You upload a document, get approved, and when someone views your document, then you earn money. And also you can make an ebook of your notes and upload it on Amazon, and you can charge money. So the question is how to do it. So there are tons of videos on YouTube that how can you convert your text or notes into ebook. So just watch a tutorial, make a ebook and upload it on Amazon and earn money. Second way to earn money is by becoming a language tutor. If you have a good command in any language, for example, my native language is Hindi and I am not so much but also good in English. And I believe that you know at least more than one language. And even if you don't, then it doesn't matter. If you have a good command in any language, then you can apply it to earn money. There are so many websites like Preply, italki, Verbling, where you can register yourself and become a language tutor. For example, this is italki.com, and you can see there are so many languages like English, Japanese, Spanish, and so more. And they are the teachers. I mean they are doing the same thing. They are asking 15 US dollars, 5 US dollars, 9 US dollars, and you can do the same thing and become a language tutor. So here's the option, become a teacher, and I click on it. And if I click on it, then you can see that you need to fill a form and register yourself. Then you can become a language tutor and earn money. So the third way is by becoming a transcriptor. So what a transcriptor do? They convert audio and video files into letters, and they add subtitles to a video, movie, or other things. And again, if you want to do this job, then you need a good command in your language. There are some websites to start. For example, Go Transcript, Rev, Scribble, and there are so many websites like this. So this is scribble.com, and if I scroll down, so here's the thing, pricing, and if I click on it, then you can see that they are paying for 1 hour 12 euros for 1 hour and 36 euros for 3 hours, and so on. And for 1 hour it means almost 1000 Indian rupees, which is really good for a college student. And you can do as much work as you want. If you have more time, then you can spend more time here and earn much more. Coming to the fourth way is by becoming a freelancer. Well, now some of you will say that Rohan, it takes lots and lots of time and effort to become a freelancer. I mean, it's not everyone's cup of tea. But I'm not telling you to write cold emails. This video is for college students. So, if you are in a good and big college, then you don't need to find customers. You already have it. You just need to look around. In my case, I know some people from my college who has a YouTube channel, but they are new and they don't know how to make a panel, how to make thumbnails, good thumbnails. So I can make it for them if they pay me. And you need to do the same thing. You need to look around your college, and I guarantee that you will find some customers. And in case if you don't find any clients, then you need to take the time taking and effortful way. And obviously it's not a negative point because it will be a side hustle for you if you are really good in your skills. And there are so many websites to start your freelancing career like Fiverr, Freelancer, and you have other options like cold emails, etc. So this is fiverr.com, and you can see that so many people are doing so many jobs. And you can see logo designing, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer. You can do anything as a freelancer: video editing, graphic designing. You can make a logo, you can write, you can be a content writer. There are so many things. You need to search for it, and you need to find out that what's the thing in which you are good at. So last but not the least, by reviewing websites and apps. I mean, we live in this era where everyone is making new websites and apps, and they need to check. I mean, they want someone to review their websites and apps, so you can do that job. You need to make a proper review with your voice and screen recording. There are some websites like Playtest Cloud, usertesting.com, TryMyUI. So if you talk about trymyui.com, then you can see here's the option get paid to test, and if I click on it, then you need to create an account. Then you can earn money by reviewing apps and websites. So here's written that earn $10 or more per test. So here's the thing, here's written that a usability test includes a video recording of your screen and voice as you use a website or app. You need to record your screen and give a proper review by telling your experience. So that's it for today, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more such videos. Till then, stay safe and stay real. See ya.